So for TVS Motors, Q4 FY21 was a record one in terms of revenue and EBITDA, but this time we are expecting the numbers definitely to be lower than that, because the overall volumes, if we see, that were down 29% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. And also comparing the expectations this time from a low base of last year, because the last year quarter, same quarter last year was a washout one for the company because of the pandemic. So let me just quickly tell you what is the expectation this time. So this time we are expecting the revenue to be at 3,824 crores, while in the bottom line the company is expected to show a profit of 110 crores. Now, in the operational performance, the realizations are expected to be up 10% on a YOY basis, especially because of two factors. Firstly is the price hike taken by the company in Q4 of FY21, and also another one in Q1 of FY22. So both of these price hikes taken might help the realization numbers and figures of the company. And secondly, this time the company has experienced a better product mix due to higher export share in that. So that will also help the numbers over there for the company. But if we see it in the margins, so that's definitely expected to be lower from what the company recorded in Q4 of FY21. The company had a margin of 10.3% in the quarter gone by, and this time we are expecting that to be at 8.3%. So that 200 basis points decline we are actually seeing because of the higher commodity prices and weak operating leverage. So both of these factors might play the role in the suppressed margins of the company. The EBITDA is expected to be reported at 315 crores, but that's definitely up from 48.8 crores of negative EBITDA which was reported last year. So now if I tell you what are the brokerages targeting on the stock just before the results, so that's a mixed view over there, because Macquarie, if I tell you, then that's giving an outperform rating on the stock with a target price of 741, but Credit Suisse holds a negative outlook that gives an underperform rating on the stock, and they are targeting of 542 levels on the stock, and the stock is somewhat between both of these levels. So that will be interesting to watch which side the stock moves post Q1 of FY22 numbers. But apart from the headline numbers, we'll be watching out for some of the other factors as well. Firstly, what is the management outlook on the demand in the coming times ahead because of the festive season it is approaching, and what are the new product launches they are planning to come up with and to get more customers, what kind of rural sales are they seeing and experiencing right now. So all of these will be on our radar list in the management commentary, and what is the guidance they come up for their margins numbers, what kind of a trajectory they are seeing over there. That will also be another factor to watch out for. So overall, this is the expectation for TVS Motors, where the company is expected to report a profit of 110 crores. So for all more updates, you stay tuned with us.